Hello everyone, welcome to Am Electrical YouTube channel. Think you all are well and good. From today onwards, we will start a new series of videos on job notifications along with study videos on electrical. So, who haven't subscribed our channel still now are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell notification beside it to get the instant notification. Today we will discuss about the job notification which is released by Samir SAMER, which is a organization of government in India. Its full form is Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research. Its headquarters are in Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam and Guwahati. For Scientist C, there are total two posts. One is for SC and other is for UR. And for Scientist B, there are 28 posts. UR have 11 posts, SC has 3, ST has 2, OBC has 9 and EWS has 3. Number of posts may increase or decrease depending upon the requirement and the reservation for the post shall be as per the policy of Government of India. Qualifications are PhD students can apply, ME MTech students can also apply, BE BTech and MSc students can also apply. But PhD students will get more preference. This was for Scientist C post whose code number is STCM. Here, 4 years post qualification experience is needed. Now we will discuss about Scientist B post whose code number is STBM. Here students of BE BTech, ME MTech on electricals and telecommunication and electronics and microwave stream can apply for this post. Both freshers and experienced student can apply, but experienced student will get more preference than freshers. Now we will discuss about Scientist B post whose code number is STBE. There are total 17 posts. Here BE BTech, ME MTech students can apply who are of electronics and telecommunication and electronics of microwave students. Here both experienced and fresher students can apply, but experienced will be more preferred. We will discuss about the post of Scientist B, whose code number is STBP. Here, the essential qualifications are MSc or PhD in physics. Both freshers and experienced student can apply, but experienced student will get more preference than the freshers one. Now we will discuss about the post Scientist B whose code number is STBR. Here the students of MSc and PhD of medical physics or radiation physics or equivalent degree recognized by Atomic Energy Regulatory Board can apply, but PhD student will be more preferred. Now we will see who can apply for this post. Both experienced and freshers can apply for this post, but experienced people will be more preferred than the freshers one. Now we will discuss about the post Scientist B code number is STBA. Here number of post vacancy is 1. BE BTech, ME MTech and MSc student of atmospheric science or space science can apply for this post, and PhD student can also apply and they will get more preference. Both experienced and freshers can apply and experienced will get more preference. Now we will see the age limit for this posts. For Scientist B post, UR or EWS category student 35, SC/ST student 40, OBC NCL 38, and PWD is 45 years old. Now we will see the age limit for scientist C post. UR or EWS category students 40 years old, SC/ST 45 years old, OBC NCL 43 years old, PWD 50 years old as per government rule. Now we will see the selection procedure. Selection will be done through our written examinations and interview. Written examinations shall be of 3 hours durations and questions will be given on English only, and it will be held on Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. The minimum percentage to qualify the written examinations will be 50% for general or EWS, 40% for OBC, 30% for SC/ST and PWD categories. Candidates have to register and apply online through the link which is shown in the screen. We will give this link on the description box also. If you want, you can take it from there. Application fee is 200 for SC/ST, PWD and women candidate, and for general it is 400. The closing date for this application is 16th September 2020. And interview dates. Shortlisted candidates shall be intermittent about the date and venues through SMS, email communications to the registered email ID or mobile phone number by Samir. And the applicant who is applying for this job must be the citizen of India. Now we will know the salary for this post. For scientist B post, it is 56,100 to 1,77,500, and for scientist C post, it is 67,700 to 2,08,700. The important links are given in the description box. Please see it. And if you like the video, please do like, comment and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.